Hi, this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Air, Michigan, and today is Wednesday, March 8th, 2023. And I'm just got through cleaning today. Well, actually dusted only. Um, and it started about 11 a.m. and finished about 4 p.m. But yesterday, near evening, I cleaned or rearranged stuff in my kitchen, clean the counters and that, and I'll show you what I did. Um, the shelf is about basically the same stuff on it. I put this tray here, metal trays there. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, put on it. I had napkins on it, and it was located over here on the counter. Um, and I moved my microwave to the corner here in the kitchen by the sink, closer to the sink. Put my toaster over here, the knives over there, cookie jar. And then I put my, I put my sugar bowl here by the stove, and the herbal tea and black tea containers, glass containers here by the stove. So that's what I did in the kitchen yesterday. Get a view of it here, going back farther. And then in the living room here, I did dusting today. I put the leaf in the table. It was round, now it's oval shaped, but I put the leaf in to make it longer today. And it's going on 4 o'clock now, so basically everything's the same in the living room. I did move my stereo over here to the corner, and the frames and that pictures are kind of located differently than it was before. But and here's the living room. And there's the mirror. I cleaned the mirror. Dusted with a paper towel and cold water. Dusted off my couch. It's not real leather, but dust accumulates on it. My Christmas tree I'm leaving up, decorated, because my youngest niece hasn't come over with her husband and their 2 children this Christmas 2022. So I told her that I'm leaving it up even if it's till next Christmas. Maybe decorate it differently next Christmas. And my Christmas cards I left up. There's still snow on the ground outside. Pull the shades up here so you can see the snow on the ground out there. Still. Okay, blinds up, I pulled up. Cleaned my bathroom the same time I did my kitchen yesterday. Tub and the toilet and the sink. I keep my robe on the hanger here because if I didn't, I put it on the hook up here, then there'd be like probably a hole later in the shoulder, so that's why I put on a hanger. Okay, so taking my bedroom. My nightstand, I rearranged my knickknacks and things on that. I basically left everything the same way on my mirror dresser. Here's my laptop computer. Now, I added some things on my top of my chest drawers. Added some more knickknacks up there. You can see the plant is all clean. No white dust on it. I still have 2 Comcast cable boxes that I save in case I have to return something to Comcast Xfinity. I'll pull my blinds up here. There's good snow out there still. There's a garden flag. So that's about it. I did the dusting and that and cleaning frames and knickknacks today, and cleaned rearranged my kitchen yesterday and cleaned my bathroom yesterday. I took the garbage out today. So anyways, I guess I'll say goodbye. And I guess that's it. So I'll get in it one more time. Okay, bye. I'll go in my living room and I'm in my living room, in my bathroom, and in my bedroom. I'm in my bedroom. Okay, so I'm going to say goodbye now. Today is Wednesday, March 8th, 2023, and this is Joanne in Port Huron, Michigan. Bye now.